Stuck with a default hero subheading you cannot change? Here is exactly how to edit it in Namecheap in under 5 minutes. So here's the thing. You are looking at your website, and that default text under the main headline just will not budge. You have probably clicked around, right-clicked, maybe even yelled at your screen a little. I have been there. It is frustrating because the option is not obvious. But I promise, it is there. And once I show you where it lives, you will wonder how you ever missed it. We will go step by step. Open your site, click the text, and save. Let us start. First, you need to get into the editor. So navigate to your Namecheap dashboard and open the website builder for the site you want to work on. This is where all the magic happens. Just find your project and click the Edit button. It might take a second to load the builder, especially if it is your first time opening it that day. That is totally normal. Now, locate the subheading text. On your preview, you will see that default line right below the big hero headline. It is probably something generic, like, I am that, I am. You want to click directly on that text. Do not click near it or on the headline above. Click right on the words themselves. When you do, you will notice the entire text block gets selected with a blue border or a highlight. That is your cue that you have control. And here is the really important part. Once that text block is selected, you can simply start typing. Delete the old text and type your new subheading. Keep it concise. This is not the place for a paragraph. Think of it as the supporting line that makes people want to keep scrolling, something clear and direct. Now, optionally, you can adjust the styling. If you want to change the font, the size, or the color, look for the text editing toolbar that popped up when you clicked on the subheading. It usually appears right above the text or in a side panel. You can make it bolder, change the alignment, or pick a color that matches your brand. Do not go overboard with styling here. A clean, readable subheading works better than something that competes with your main headline. All right, do not forget to save your work. This is the step that trips people up. Look for the Save button. It is usually in the top right corner of the builder. Click it. You might see a brief loading spinner. That just means your changes are being written to the server. Finally, preview and publish to see it live. Click the Preview button first. This lets you see exactly how your new subheading looks on desktop and mobile. Check it on both views. Text that looks great on a computer monitor can get cut off on a phone screen. If everything looks good, hit that Publish button. And just like that, your site now has a custom hero subheading that actually says what you want it to say. You went from being stuck to being in full control. That is a good feeling, right? Thanks for sticking with me through this. Now go make that subheading work for you.